What does the llama say?
How are you?
How are you today?
How are you today?
Okay, what does the llama say? Hello, how are you today? Say it.
Hello, how are you today?
Okay, can you sing a song, Justin Bieber?
Yeah, oh, baby, oh, but you always be a mama. 13, I have a first love. I'm going crazy. Oh, it's a lot of fun. Going crazy.
Can you sing You and Me Baby Stuck Like Glue?
You and me, baby, we're stuck like glue.
Uh-oh, uh-oh.
Uh-oh, me and you, baby, we're stuck like glue.
Can you sing Proud Mary?
Keep on rolling.
Get that out of your mouth. What else does the Proud Mary go? Get that out of your mouth. Rolling on the...